take me up some creek up here, and then there's probably going to be a small bridge. Alright, so there's a downhill to the creek. There were some boulders, small rocks, under the bridge there. Yeah, see, we are now going like almost directly west, which is right into the eye of that wind. Okay guys, so this is here is called Maline Creek. Old graffiti has been painted over here. Okay, so it's going to take us on this something called the Riverfront Trail along Riverview Drive, and so I got to make a right here. So I don't know if I stay on the trail or what do you guys think? Should we stay on the trail or get over on a street? Let's have a look what this trail is going to look like. Oh wow, look at those icicles, guys, huge. I mean, those are like 6-7 feet long. Wow, down below the bridge. Okay, let's see what kind of trail this has in store for us here. Oh no, it's paved too. It's just like, yeah, a lot of work here. So today, City of St. Louis curb yard. So that's what this here is, guys. This is a City of St. Louis curb yard. All right, so here we go now. We are heading like directly east, so wow. Oh, I wish it was like this the whole way through. But if we did just go east from here, we'd end up somewhere in like Tennessee. Or Kentucky or something. Yeah, so we're 19 minutes away, guys. And I heard another beep. Oh, we're still there. That's 23 power, 23% 10% left, guys, so it should get us, because it's now showing me 19 minutes, 3.6 miles to the bridge. So hopefully it'll take us, it'll last us to the bridge. And now it's going to take us through some park here. There we go. This is called something like Mississippi Trailhead Park, because yeah, the river curves here, I think more like northeast. There's another rest stop here, guys. These pillars here, Mississippi Greenway Front Riverfront Park. There we go. Wow, yeah. So now we are smoking. We are actually making up some ground here with that wind. I'm not gonna go all out crazy. Gotta conserve energy, guys. It's gonna be a long day. You know, 54 miles. Or something to that effect. It's still a long day of cycling. All right. And the trail, guys, here is really smooth. And I've taken down my mask, at least